The Alberta government collects money. The federal government collects money. So now the money is going to get spent by companies that are actually going to do something.
The province of Alberta has announced its latest investment in a lower emission future, but there are still several hurdles on the path to cleaner energy production.
This funding is supporting some very cool projects that will have a big impact on emissions reduction in a variety of industries and in projects right across the province of Alberta.
Alberta will invest over $60 million to improve technologies and reduce emissions. The investment will fund 14 selected projects at various stages of development.
This includes a project producing battery materials for electric vehicles. It includes a project transforming how cement is made and used, and another one that's using geothermal to power forestry operations and electrify industrial buildings.
But even with investment, getting emissions down is still a big challenge for the country's biggest oil and gas province.
The oil industry is not going away. I mean, the demand for oil and gas in the world is going to go up probably to about 2050. So the challenge is, how do you have the demand going up and reduce the emissions and get a net zero in the emissions by 2050? That's the challenge.
If the program is successful, all of the projects together are expected to reduce emissions by about 700 tons by 2030 and 2.5 million tons by 2050.
So some of these technologies are going to work and some of them aren't. But the Alberta hope is that we can grow new industries to replace the old industries. So you have to invest early in the technology to make things work in the long run, and that's what the Alberta government's doing. You have to give them some credit.
The projects are also expected to create 1,700 new jobs. In Calgary, Silvia Naranjo, City News.